Hello students, a very warm welcome to all. In this video, we will know about the syllabus of BSc Physical Sciences with Physics, Computer Science and Mathematics. Before proceeding further, you must know the fact that BSc Physical Science with Physics, Computer Science and Mathematics is different from BSc with Physics, BSc with Mathematics, BSc with Computer Science or BSc with Chemistry non-medical. So let's start the discussion. This course is based upon RUSA's choice-based credit system. Choice-based credit system has courses named core courses. These core courses are compulsory for every candidate. Second one is elective course, in which candidate can choose course of his choice from the pool of courses. These elective courses are decision specific elective for first year and second year, while it is dissertation or project for final year. The third type of courses are ability enhancement courses designed to enhance the particular skill set of the course. These courses are like environment science, English, modern Indian languages like Hindi, English, Sanskrit. As I have already told you that the course is based upon credit, so there are 44 credits for each years, and in total you have to complete 132 credits to complete your degree. In first year there are 6 decision specific courses having 6 credits. In total there are 36 credits for these decision specific courses and 2 courses for ability enhancement. The first one is environmental science for 4 credits and other one is optional, in which you can choose Hindi or English or Sanskrit. In second year again you have to study 6 decision specific compulsory courses and 2 skill enhancement courses, and in total you have to complete 44 credits. In final year you have to study 2 skill enhancement courses for 4 credit each, in total 8 credits, and 6 elective from decision specific elective courses, total credits 36, and in overall 44 credits for final year. Now let us discuss the scheme of examination for each course. First of all, for the courses without practical, the final theory examination is for 70 marks and internal assessment is of 30 marks. Internal assessment will be given on the basis of assignment, house examination and attendance. For courses with practical, the theory exam will be for 50 marks and again internal assessment for 30 marks and 20 marks for practical. Minimum 75% of attendance is compulsory and marks will be given on the basis of this criteria. Now let us discuss the syllabus in detail. Subjects you will study in first year. The core course 1 is from physics, which is mechanics theory, and it is a practical based subject, and the lab is mechanics lab. The second core subject is from computer science, which is problem solving using computer with software lab using Python. Third core course is from mathematics, which is differential calculus, and it is without practical. Fourth subject is ability enhancement course, which is environmental science. Fourth compulsory course from physics is electricity and magnetism theory with lab for electricity and magnetism. Fifth core subject is from computer science, which is office automation tool with lab also. And sixth compulsory course is from mathematics, which is differential equation. For second ability enhancement course, you can choose anyone from English or modern Indian languages. Similarly, you can check the syllabus for second year and final year. Thanks. Have a nice day.